Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Mahidin Onim. I am currently in 6th semester Department of Civil Engineering at Deputy International University. My present address is Dhaka. I am living now there, and my permanent address is Jamalpur. I am blessed with my family consisting my parents and younger sister. My father name is Shamim Hassan Shamim, and he is a Navy officer. I passed my childhood in Chittagong, which is the beautiful city in this country. I thought I passed there my golden period. I am living there by the side of the sea, and I always sound the wave of the sea. I completed my SSC and HSC in Bangladesh Naubahini School and College, Khulna, in 2018 and 2022. My GPA is SSC is 5.00 and HSC GPA is 4.83. My average CGPA in university is above 2.50. On the practical side, I always visited the construction site and meet the duty engineer, talk with them, the problem, the solving. I always observe the construction site and discuss them. I am also the admin panel member in Tongi route in our university, and also general secretary in our district student committee. My hobby is reading books and playing football, and I also the huge fan of football. I support the Brazil national team. My favorite books are Richter Bedon, Bisher Bashi, Ogni Bina, etc., which was written by Kazi Nazrul Islam, our national poet. I love my family because they always beside with me in happy sorrow time. Thank you for watching my video.